AJ Bell's Investment Director, and this is the latest update on the developing Greek situation. So over the weekend, the Greeks voted no 61 to 39% against accepting the terms of the latest European bailout. So what does that leave us now? One, the Greeks are arguing, or Prime Minister Tsipras is arguing, it strengthens his renegotiating position. In contrast, the hard line from Berlin in Brussels is that there'll be no further negotiations until the Greeks give something back in terms of further reforms. So in this respect, we're no further on than we were previously, other than the fact that a Greek exit from the Eurozone may now be more likely. In the end, Greece has borrowed irresponsibly. Its lenders have acted irresponsibly by throwing more debt at a debt problem. So where do we go from here? There has to be some form of debt forgiveness, either in a disorderly fashion with a Greek exit or an orderly fashion with a negotiation and a haircut. Equally at the same time, Greece needs to offer some reforms in return. Just remember that if it did go back to the drachma went from 30 to 400 against the dollar in a 30-year period before 2002. So the Greeks do need to manage their economy more effectively than they have thus far. What does this all mean for the markets? Pretty sanguine start to the week. The euro is barely unchanged against sterling or the dollar, but in the end, the single currency's flaws remain. Monetary union without political and fiscal union is going to be put to the test. Gold has not flinched, intriguingly, which again suggests the markets are taking this calmly, and the Euro Stock 600 index is down barely 1%. Excellent work from BNP Paribas shows there are three possible scenarios. One, the one that we've got now, where markets still believe there will be a deal. That probably explains the calm reaction. Two, if you look at previous Greek crises, the European markets have gone down by an average of 15% until a solution was found. Or three, the European Central Bank steps in with more QE to provide support and the markets brush the whole lot under the carpet. We'll find out what happens.